Are you a real estate agent that can't seem to quite hit your real estate goals? And each and every year you've been trying new lead sources, you've been doing door knocking, you've been doing cold calling, you've been doing flyers. It's just pretty much like wasting your time and lighting money on fire on any marketing that you've done. Well, then you're going to be missing out on what the best lead source is, no matter your experience as an agent, no matter what market you're in. The one that I found converts the best for every single agent, and that is going to be Google Ads. I'm going to be breaking down why you need to be doing Google Ads as a real estate agent, how you can actually tap into this pot of gold that sits in Google. Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Russell Mortlock here at the Apex Group. So fired up to be bringing you a video on Google Ads on why every single real estate agent needs to be at least doing Google Ads to build their business. It is such a simple way to build the foundation to a successful real estate business. And I know what some agents are saying, oh, they're expensive, they don't actually convert, you get bad numbers, you get that. But a lot of times what it comes down to is you don't have the right people that actually set up your Google Ads. You get people from marketing that have never actually sold a home, never actually done a cold call, don't know what it's like to go on showings, doing your marketing for you. So they don't know what the type of ad copy should be for real estate specific Google Ads. And they don't know the actual systems and the follow-up systems that you should put in place to convert these at a high level. So if you want to learn the Google Ads Mortlock method and you would like to partner with me and have me set up your Google Ads and teach you the Mortlock method in order to convert these ads at a higher rate than anyone else, well then go in the description. There's going to be a Google form that you have to fill out. We don't just partner with anyone on the marketing. We want to make sure you're going to be a right fit for our team and that you have the right ambition and that you're seeking in order to become a top agent. So if you check all those boxes, we'll reach out to you to schedule a call and we'll be able to help you out unlock the potential that lies in Google advertising. Reason number one is the power of Google. It has the most visibility out of any search engine on the internet. 90% of search traffic that happens on the internet starts with Google. Just think of when you go to buy something, it doesn't even have to be real estate. You always go and look on Google first. So when people are typing in homes for sale in your market, they do that on Google. The next reason is the flexibility on the different ads that you can do. So me and my team, we recently transitioned to doing luxury real estate ads on Google, which allowed us to convert over $8 million in 1 month from these ads. That means we made over $120,000 in 1 month from 3 clients doing luxury advertising on Google, where you have flexibility to target specific people on what they'll be looking for. If you're someone that's wanting to start targeting luxury clients and be making 4 times your average commission in your market with handling with these people, and if you want to make 4 times the average sale price in your market, meaning 4 times the commission checks, and you would like to partner with us and see exactly how I can set up your advertising to target these people, well then go in the description, fill out that Google form, and if you're a right fit, we'll reach out to schedule a call. And I can't stress this enough. This was a huge factor that we changed in our mindset when we're doing our Google advertising, where right now with the current high interest rates and everything that's going on in the economy, we're like, what people don't care about interest rates or what's really going on? And that's people that aren't getting mortgages and people that just want to find the best home. And those people are luxury clients. And this was an absolute game changer for our business. And this has given us the ability to rise to the top in our market, being one of the top teams, even though we are very, very small. If you want to partner with me and want me to set up luxury Google ads for you, like I said, go to the description, and if you're a right fit, I'll reach out. The next reason is keyword strategy. So like you'll see on Facebook, it's almost like a billboard where people are just scrolling. Oh, there's something I find interesting. Scrolling. So it's almost similar like a billboard. They're just passing by and they see it in passing. Where on Google, it is keyword specific. It's search-based traffic. So these people are looking for specific keywords. And this is one of the most important factors of setting up your Google advertising is you need to have the right keywords. I'll share with you a secret little tip that using less keywords and less specific keywords actually works better. And the most important thing is actually eliminating negative keywords that target your ads and searches. This takes a little bit of time to optimize that, but me and my team know exactly how to do that, and we perfected this approach for Google advertising. The next reason is captivating ads. So unlike Facebook, where you're literally competing against so many other things that are going on just on that platform, and different visuals and different colors and different text, when you're in Google, all the text and all the stuff is the same. So you really are able to just fine point really good ad copy and potentially install some images on those ads in order for yours to stick out. This is one thing that we did that no one else in our market was doing with their Google ads, was attaching really nice images to them, which allows us to rank higher at the top of the page than other people in my market. The next reason is the analytics. You so easily can track what your actual return on investment. And what we found on average is people usually get about a 10-to-1 return on investment. So if you can spend $1,000 a month on Google, you're going to be making $10,000 in commission. Amazing story. When I was doing my Google ads, for every $1,000 that I was putting in, I was making $24,000 in commission. This was a 24x return on my Google ads. If you're a real estate agent that wants to tap into the potential and unlock your business and hit the next step in reaching your real estate goals, and you would like to partner with me and have me set up your Google ads, then go to the description. There's going to be a Google form in there for you to fill out. And if you're a right fit and match the criteria on the people that we like to work with on our marketing side of our business, then we'll reach out to you to book a call.